After years of delays, US electric vehicle maker Tesla has made its long-anticipated debut in India.
Elon Musk-led Tesla is all set to open the doors of its first-ever showroom in India with
Welcome Tesla to India.
Tesla in India, luxury or misfire? Here's your complete breakdown. What happens when the world's most ambitious car brand finally parks itself in the world's most chaotic, competitive, and price-sensitive auto market? After years of hype, broken promises, and billion-dollar negotiations, Tesla has finally entered the Indian market. But at nearly 70 lakh rupees a car and no local factory yet, is this a bold move or a miscalculated risk? Before we dive into the full story, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a breakdown like this. Because today, we're taking you under the hood of one of the boldest launches in recent automotive history.
Gadkari asked global electric auto giant Tesla to start manufacturing in India.
मैं एलॉन मस्क को मिला मतलब तुमको लैंड चाहिए फोकट में लाइसेंसेस क्लियरेंसेस याद ही दो महीने भर में हाथ में दूंगा इंडिया में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग शुरू कर.
In an interview, Nitin Gadkari said that the government could give higher concessions to Tesla if it opts for manufacturing its cars in India by hiring local vendors rather than assembling them in the country.
This is Tesla in India, a complete breakdown, the high-priced entry. Why the Model Y lands with shockwaves imagine eyeing a Tesla, only to see the price tag quadruple. Welcome to India's luxury EV conundrum. On July 15th, 2025, Tesla launched the Model Y in Mumbai, starting at around 60 to 68 lakh rupees, approximately $70,000 to $79,000, due to steep import tariffs of around 70 to 100%. This price dwarfs US pricing, $44,990, and positions Tesla squarely in luxury territory, targeting just 4% of India's auto market. Tesla debuted its first experience center in the Bandra Kurla complex, stocking 6 Model Ys from Shanghai, including long-range variants, and promises 8 supercharger stations across Mumbai and Delhi. In a country where the average new car sells for under $20,000, Tesla's Model Y comes with a sticker shock. But Tesla isn't positioning itself as a mass brand in India. It's playing the long game in a growing luxury EV niche. Promises and pitfalls, infrastructure and market reality. Despite India's government offering 15% tariffs for automakers investing 4,000 plus crore rupees, approximately $500 million, and committing to local production, Tesla has opted for imports, avoiding immediate factory investment. EV market share stands at approximately 4.04%, with approximately 111,000 electric vehicles sold in fiscal year 2025, a tiny but fast-growing slice of the 4.3 million annual vehicle sales.
Imported luxury EVs were taxed steeply in India by almost 110%. But then came Donald Trump.
It's very unfair. India charges us auto tariffs higher than 100%.
And India relaxed some of the tariffs to appease the new president. Luxury EV tariffs were cut from 110% to 70%, 70.
Weeks after meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Washington, D.C., Musk is accelerating efforts to bring Tesla to India.
Tesla faces hurdles. India's inconsistent lane discipline, mixed road infrastructure, and limited charger network all challenge its advanced, full self-driving tech. Tesla loyalists frustrated. TechCrunch reports highlight long-time Indian waiters rebooking. In 2016, still feel underwhelmed and forgotten, following refund delays and the lack of early bird perks. Tesla's entry felt less like a red carpet premiere and more like a high-stakes pop-up in a market that still needs mass-market clarity. Without local production, charging infrastructure, or heartfelt outreach to eager fans, Tesla risks alienating its own base. Can Tesla compete? The road ahead: India's government moves to reduce import duties, aims to lower manufacturers. But Tesla isn't building factories yet. Analysts project Tesla could sell approximately 50,000 vehicles annually by 2030 if India hits a 10% EV adoption rate and Tesla captures approximately 10% of that. luxury EV demand is climbing. Premium sales grew 66% year-on-year in early 2025, but remain just approximately 1% of total car sales. Competitors like German luxury brands Tata, Mahindra, MG, and BYD are already firmly in the Indian EV landscape. Tesla sees a future India where EVs hit 30% market share by 2030. With rising wealth and urban EV adoption, Tesla aims to grow alongside, but success depends on lowering prices, launching local production, and winning back loyal fans. Make or break moment. Tesla's India debut sets a high visibility, high stakes gambit. Expensive, imported luxury brings attention, but local roots and infrastructure remain missing. The next 18 to 24 months will determine Tesla's fate in India. Will tariffs stay high? Will Tesla build? Will loyalty return? For now, India becomes a testing ground, not a conquest, and Tesla must accelerate investment or risk stalling in a market eager yet cautious. Tesla walks the tightrope in India. It can either electrify the market or stall on the roadmap, and in a country zooming toward the future, hesitation could cost it the lead. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit like, leave a comment with your thoughts. Is Tesla too late, too expensive, or just getting started? And subscribe to the Enterprise World for more high-voltage stories on tech, business, and the future of innovation.